Update to everyone. I just want to let everyone know that Kylie Jenner is back on Snapchat, and she
God.
has alerted us that the refrigerator's the right light. Like, I think I look really good. Like, when the Snapple, like, just hits me in the right light. Oh, my God, this refrigerator lighting, she's so right. Oh, yeah, that's the spot where the Hershey's is. Oh, she's trying to steal my light. My refrigerator light.
It's much better on
My refrigerator light. Tashi is giving me a tour of her new house, and we have a brand new refrigerator. Open it. Open it.
Oh my God, this new refrigerator lighting! We look so good! Oh my God, Tasha, how do you feel?
That morning refrigerator light. Oh, wow. I look so nice now. Oh my God, we found a refrigerator with newborn refrigerator lighting.
Oh my God, you look gorgeous in the light.
Tashi and I are trying to find our way through the good lighting of the sunflower fields, but it's like, I'm not sure.
I have good lighting everywhere.
It's like, we're not in a refrigerator, so I'm not.
Just found the biggest fridge in the world.
The biggest.
It's enormous. Oh, the light! Oh my God, Tasha, we're in a walk-in refrigerator.
With lighting.
You know what? Kylie Jenner would be so jealous of us. All right, this lighting is perfection. Time to go.
Time to go.
Time to go. Where are we going? Where are we going? Where are we going? Where are we going?
Go.
Where are we going?